Personal boxes here for Ethan R. We've got a 2020-21 Mosaic basketball, as well as a 2020 Select Football Hobby. Thanks so much for your order, Ethan. Best of luck. Gonna be a fun rip here. We're gonna start with basketball, and then we'll get into the football. Here we go. We've got Tyrese Maxey rookie, Hakeem Olajuwon, Killian Hayes rookie. We've got auto out of the first one. Nice one here for the Hawks. How about a little Cam Reddish auto? That's cool. Nice vet auto there for you, Ethan. Cam Reddish. Got Mosaic, Anthony Davis. Red, Wendell Carter Jr. Montage, and a stained glass of James Harden. The beard. Nice stained glass. NBA debut, Jalen Smith. Vernon Carey Jr. rookie. Chris Paul National Pride. Mosaic rookie, Vernon Carey Jr. Red, Obi Toppin. Nice red rookie there. Denny Avita, blue chips, and Montage, Jamal Murray. Got Campazzo rookie. Kira Lewis Jr. debut. CJ Ellaby rookie. Tim Duncan all-time great. Silver Balika. Red D'Angelo Russell. Introductions Patrick Williams. And Stairmaster Mosaic Devin Booker. Got Aaron Naismith rookie. James Harden National Pride. Dirk MVP. Jayshawn Tate debut rookie. Mitchell Robinson silver. Red Sekou Doumbouya. Meta Mastery Trae Young. And a center stage Bradley Beal. Denny Avita rookie. Jason Kidd all-time greats. Isaac Okoro rookie. Silver rookie Cole Anthony. Nice hit there, Ethan. That's my guy. See my shirt? Cole Anthony. We got Tony Parker all-time greats. Stairmasters Giannis and Montage SGA. Funny. Wearing his jersey. Got debut of Killian Hayes. Cole Anthony rookie. Dame Lillard National Pride. LaMelo Ball rookie base. We've got Mosaic Derek White. Blue Cody Zeller out of 99, sorry. Cody Zeller out of 99. Blue chips, Tyrese Maxey, and introductions Mosaic, Isaac Okoro. Got Devin Vassell rookie. Okongwu debut. Mason Jones rookie. Mosaic Kyrie Irving. Red Luka Doncic. Meta Mastery KD. And Overdrive Bam Adebayo. Rookie Malachi Flynn. Aaron Naismith debut. Mosaic National Pride Chris Paul. Red color match here for the Heat. Precious Achiuwa rookie. Yep, Mike. Ethan is after this box. RJ and Montage Porzingis. See if we can get him a big Burrow since he pulled the big Herbie. Zeke Naji rookie. Magic Johnson all-time greats. We've got Paku rookie. Paul George National Pride. Silver Rajon Rondo. Chris Middleton red. Siakam Meta Mastery and Meta Mastery Mosaic Bradley Beal. All right, last pack here for you, Ethan, then we'll get into your selects. Good luck. Got Halliburton debut. Isaiah Joe rookie. Jerry West. Silver Gary Trent Jr. Red Tyler Hero on the color match. Stairmasters Dame Dalla and Street Fire Kawhi Leonard. All right. Nice box. Now time for the selects. this back. If I can get it. All right, here we go, Ethan. Good luck. What's up, Aunt? Joe Burr time. Let's go. Got Josh Jacobs. J.K. Dobbins rookie. Got lime green. Phillip Rivers for the Colts. I love the color of this card. To 49. Nice one there. All right, up next, we've got 225 RPA Justin Herbert. Boom! Wow, let's go. Back-to-back big Herbies. There you go, Ethan. 5 out of 25. Wow. 5 of 25. Let's go, Ethan. Huge card. Wow. Woo. Sheesh. Wow. What is going on with the select boxes tonight, ladies and gents? Look at that. To 25. We are on fire right now, y'all. There you go, Ethan. Just gonna hold it here for a second. Wow. Nasty. We will mag this one for you. My goodness gracious. James Morgan rookie. What was that? The second? That was the first pack. Second pack. First pack? I don't even know. My goodness. Wow. Brian Edwards rookie. We're going to have a Herbie showcase up here. David Johnson club level. We've got a silver Patrick Mahomes. Silver Antonio Gandy Golden. And Rob Gronkowski. Wow. Jedrick Willis rookie. Browns. Jacob Eason rookie for the Colts. Got Joe Burr. I can't even roll the tongue right now. My mouth's so dry. Nice one there. Joey B selections. You got silver Joshua Kelly Chargers and Isaiah Coulter rookie. Julio Jones. Ooh, I see tie-dye in here too, Ethan. Come on, let's go. Chase Young rookie. Got tie-dye snapshots of Derrick Henry. This card is nasty. I didn't realize they had snapshot tie-dyes. That is so cool. Love the look of that card. 7 of 25. That's sick. I'll mag this one for you as well. Wow. Select is on fire tonight, y'all. We've got silver Nick Chubb and a Jerry Jeudy rookie. I didn't even know that was a thing. I like that. I'll have to find a Steelers card like that. Josh Allen. We've got Antonio Gandy Golden, club level rookie. We've got a white Clyde Edwards-Helaire to 35. Boom! Ethan, what a box, dude. My goodness. And Forrest just pulled a Herbert auto out of a no huddle box. It's a Herbie night tonight at LSC. Wow. I think there's 1,700, Gertie. Larry Fitz silver and Drew Brees base. 3 cards I'm magging over here. so far. We're not even halfway through the darn box set, Ethan. Joshua Kelly, rookie. Cam Newton, we've got tricolor up next. Rookie of Jalen Reagor. Nice one there for the Eagles. And we've got, out of 199, auto of Mark Gastineau. Mark Gastineau. No, hipster. We all have our own unique booms, I feel like. And we've got a nice one here. How about a field level Justin Herbert rookie? Man, Herbie's coming to play tonight. Nice. I say that's a dub, CLT. I can hear him. Mike, you saw he just pulled a Herbert auto out of no huddle. That's crazy. I have him up on another window here too. All right, Patrick Queen rookie. Sam Darnold. We've got cool one here. Snapshots of Tom Brady. It's a cool card. Nice. Russell Wilson silver club level. Nice. And a Van Jefferson rookie. Jordan Fuller rookie. Got Todd Gurley the second club level. Silver rookie selections of Michael Pittman Jr. Jalen Reagor rookie. And a J.J. Watt. I would probably grade CLT for sure. Gardner Minshew. C.J. Henderson rookie. We've got blue club level to 75. Aaron Rodgers. There you go. Nice one there. We pulled Mike the Green out of 5. Yeah, I would grade it. I would say his cards are probably down right now just because he's not in the Super Bowl. But his stuff's going to skyrocket again once the season comes around next year. Field level rookie silver Tyler Johnson for the Bucks. And a L'Jarius Sneed rookie. Jordan Love rookie. Kyler Murray. We've got 235. A white jumbo patch. Brandon Ayuk. Nice one there. A nice end of the season as well. A silver Zeke. And Amari Cooper. Right, Mike? Rookie of Denzel Mims. We've got a Dalton Keene rookie club level. Christian McCaffrey phenoms. Chase Young rookie silver. And a Tom Brady base. All right, last pack here for you, Ethan. Dwayne Haskins. We've got Jason Moore rookie. Purple. Lamar Jackson. This is a cool color match here. That is to 75. Nice. Last pack magic here, Ethan. What did I say? We needed a big Joe Burrow. How about a silver club level Joe Burrow? Boom. Mag this one for you as well. There you go. Last pack magic. Joe, these are 1,700 on the site. And last but not least, a field level Patrick Mahomes. My goodness, what a box here for you, Ethan. Congrats on all these hits. Thanks so much for your order. We'll be getting this right out to you.